Okay, step one is always long-term guardian. Okay, long-term guardian is permanent guardian. That should be someone take care of your kids until they reach at age 18. So when you pick up short long-term guardians, I have a three non-emotional step process for you to get started. So before you get started, you just need a pen and a paper with you. And you can do this for your individual work. It's you and your spouse can both have your own list because it's not a joint work. Both of you can pick up. So the first step is first create your short list. Okay, when you start to create your short list for long-term guardian, I mean like everyone, okay, everyone you can think of. Don't try to narrow down at this moment. Just think of anyone possibly can be a long-term guardian. Then you just write it down. It can be like your family, your siblings, or your neighbors, your friends, like your teacher, or maybe like your someone in your church, something you know potentially can be the long-term guardian. Okay. And then step two is write down top three parenting values. I think you can write down more. Just write down more parenting values. For example, it's like travel, maybe some you feel travel, or something like personal to your family, like cultural thing, or maybe like education style, lifestyle, or sometimes you just want this person to be very healthy, or sometimes you just want someone have a prior relationship or connection with your family. If just name whatever you feel that's important to you. So you just write down all the values and then you can start to rank it. Maybe the first is like education, or the second probably can be like travel. So you name it. But the thing I want to mention in your parenting value is don't think of financial resources at this moment because financial resources should be your responsibility, not your guardian's responsibility. So for parenting value, just don't think of financial resources. The third step is match the first, your shortlist, your potential candidates to your parenting value. Because you already rank your parenting value, then you will be easily have a list of your guardian. Because guardian should be someone can really share the similar value to raise your children, or someone who can really practice your value. That's the most important part instead of money. So this is long-term guardian. And usually when I have my client create a list, I always want client name three because if you the traditional way is only one, but it's too risky. Think of if there's something can happen to you, then there's also something can happen to your candidate. So I always tell client I want three. Don't just name one.